Gothic Kids Readers. Animal Homes by Shira Evans. Vocabulary Tree. Animals: bee, bird, bat, fox, deer, bear, spider, rabbit. Animal homes: hive, nest, cave, den, web, burrow. Animals need a place to live. Some animals build their homes. Bees build a hive. Birds use grass and twigs. They make a nest. Other animals find their homes. Some bats sleep in caves. They hang onto the rocks. Some homes are low. A fox lives in a den. It's in the ground. Foxes often make their dens near the base of a tree. Some homes are high. A bird lives in a nest. It's up in a tree. Some animals sleep in many homes. Deer walk all day. Then they find a new place to rest. Other animals sleep in one home all the time.
Good morning.
Some bears
Do you ever see you
sleep
in
in
neck of the woods?
a den. They sleep there
Tends to be,
all
very,
winter.
filled with equipment.
Some homes are for one animal. A spider lives on a web. It lives alone. Other homes are for animal families. Rabbits live together. They live in a burrow. There are many kinds of homes. Some even move.